ChatGPT AI has just hit the scene, and if you're wondering whether it's worth your time, I've got you covered. This AI software has been getting a lot of buzz, but what are the 7 most crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in? Stay with me, because I'm about to break down exactly what you need to understand about ChatGPT AI. Plus, I'll show you how to try this tool completely free from the first link below. First off, let's talk about the core functionality of ChatGPT. At its core, this software is designed to revolutionize how you interact with AI. It's a versatile AI tool capable of handling a range of tasks, from natural language processing to task automation. Whether you're a digital marketer, a content creator, or just someone looking to streamline processes, ChatGPT AI is built to simplify your workflow and boost productivity. One of the standout features of ChatGPT AI is its ability to personalize conversations and responses. Unlike other AI tools that feel rigid, ChatGPT can adapt its tone and approach depending on the context. This means you can use it for customer service, creating dynamic content, or even managing your inbox, all with a highly personalized experience. For marketers, this is a game changer because personalized interactions lead to better engagement and, ultimately, conversions. Another major perk of ChatGPT AI is its integration with multiple platforms. You don't need to work across multiple tools or software anymore. ChatGPT plays well with everything from email management tools to social media platforms, making it an all-in-one assistant. It's designed for seamless collaboration, whether you're working alone or within a team. But how does it perform when it comes to speed and accuracy? You'll be glad to know ChatGPT is lightning fast and precise. It processes information quickly, which can save you a ton of time if you're handling large amounts of data or constantly fielding customer inquiries. Accuracy is another area where ChatGPT shines. Its understanding of language nuances and its ability to provide context-aware responses is something that sets it apart from other AI tools on the market. One of the most impressive features I've found is its learning curve. If you've ever been frustrated with software that takes forever to master, ChatGPT won't let you down. It's designed to be user-friendly, with an interface that's easy to navigate, even if you've never used AI software before. It offers a variety of templates and guides to get you up and running within minutes, which is great for anyone who wants to hit the ground running. Now, let's talk about pricing. A lot of AI tools can get pretty pricey, but ChatGPT AI offers flexibility in pricing that makes it accessible to a broader range of users. Whether you're a small business owner or a large enterprise, there's a plan for you, and you can test the software completely free for a limited time through the link in the description. Finally, the support and community aspect of ChatGPT AI is something you shouldn't overlook. If you run into any issues or need help optimizing the software for your needs, their customer support team is readily available. Plus, there's a growing community of users who are sharing tips, tricks, and use case ideas, so you're never alone when navigating the software. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the link in the description to try ChatGPT AI for free. If you've been searching for a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use AI tool, this one is worth considering. And after trying thousands of AI software tools, I've compiled a list of the best ones, all available to try for free. So, make sure to check out the description for more details. That's it for this review. If you're interested in using the best AI software out there, ChatGPT AI should definitely be on your radar. Try it out and see how it can change the way you work.